Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress on Namecheap. We'll begin by ensuring your domain and hosting are correctly linked. Then, I'll guide you through accessing your cPanel, which is your hosting control panel. Finally, we'll explore the straightforward Softaculous Apps Installer, a tool that simplifies the WordPress installation process to just a few clicks, getting your site ready in minutes. Installing WordPress is quite simple with Namecheap Softaculous. First, log into your cPanel and find the Softaculous Apps Installer icon. Click on the WordPress logo, then the Install tab. You'll need to choose your domain, specify a directory if desired, and create a unique admin username and a strong password. Remember to use a password with at least 12 characters, including numbers and symbols, for robust security. After installation, it's time to configure your new WordPress site. Access your WordPress dashboard by visiting your domain followed by /wp-admin. Here, you can set your site title and tagline under Settings. Crucially, install an SSL certificate, often free with Namecheap, to enable HTTPS and secure your site. Then, explore the Appearance section to select and activate a theme that matches your vision, giving your website its unique look. Maintaining your WordPress site is vital for its longevity and security. Always keep your WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated to their latest versions. This addresses security vulnerabilities and improves performance. Use strong, unique passwords for all accounts and consider limiting login attempts. Most importantly, schedule regular backups of your entire website. This ensures you can restore your site quickly in case of any unforeseen issues, protecting your hard work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.